December the 3rd, we're actually going to go and use a diamond drill that we bought on sale from Canadian Tire, drill a hole through there and install a reverse osmosis spigot. And we're going to get rid of this handy looking Ikea garbage thing. It's pretty old. Let's see where this goes. The battleground, as it were, getting organized. The scene of the crime is very ready to go, nice and clean. Water turned off already. The unit ready to install, and certainly logistics. Get your work area ready to go. Gotta love it. Let's see what we got here. Of course, the layout was really important, so a lot of time was spent making sure that the position was quite right, and it was so tight, but it worked out so well. So this is the reservoir that kept the drill cool. In this particular instance, where the red mark is on that washer, will have to be removed. Of course, everything installed really well. That's the stop valve at the end. After I started it up, everything leaked. I couldn't believe how many leaks there were, because the first one I did, there weren't any leaks. But that's how you learn these things. Anyway, this is installed and it's making water. So the entire install took about 6 hours with very little stress. It's going to be really great to see this thing working all the time.